Fayetteville, and 83 at Wilmington. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 76 at Shelby, 78 at Greensboro, and 81 at Raleigh-Durham. At Asheville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 72. In South Carolina, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 78 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 78 at Columbia. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 79 degrees and mostly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today... During potentially dangerous weather situations, special built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Warren, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazardous alert test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.
Didn't activate.
Including Charlotte and vicinity. Today,